This video details how to perform the required maintenance procedures for the SAF-X filter. Before starting, initiate flush cycle. First, open the bypass valve and close both the inlet and outlet valves. Disconnect the power supply and open the drain valve. Using a wrench, release the 6 bolts to open the front lid. Carefully pull out the core screen, verify that the band is in place, and if needed, replace the sealing band and lubricate. Remove the O-ring from its groove. Pull out the sealing sleeve and verify that the sealing bands are in place, and if needed, replace the sealing bands and lubricate. Carefully pull out the fine screen, verify that the bands are in place, and if needed, replace the sealing band and lubricate. To get access, unscrew the 2 top and 2 bottom screws and remove the cover. Removing one side cover allows sufficient access. Using pliers, pull out the safety pin and the connecting pin. Remove the suction scanner. Pull to remove the SLN nozzle, verify that the O-ring is in place. Unscrew the locking ring and verify that the sealing band is in place. Pull out the SLN, the spring, and the sealing items. Replace the sealing items if required. Reinsert the SLN with the spring and the sealing items. Tighten the locking ring and connect the nozzle. Unscrew the drain tube fitting and remove the drain tube. Using a screwdriver, release the 2 screws and remove the stopper. Manually unscrew the shaft sealing assembly. Using a flat screwdriver, pull out the O-ring and replace it if necessary. Reassemble the shaft sealing assembly. Firmly tighten the sealing assembly while the drain port is connected. Lock the shaft sealer in position using the stopper and 2 screws. Reconnect the drain tube to the fitting. Insert the suction scanner into the filter. Reconnect the safety and connecting pins. Reattach the side cover using 4 screws. Wash the fine screen and return it to its locked position with the arrow facing upward. Wash the sealing sleeve and return to its locked position while the arrow is facing upwards. Place the O-ring in its groove. Wash the core screen and return it to its position. Using a wrench, close the front lid and tighten the 6 bolts. Close the filter drain valve. Open the inlet valve. Open the outlet valve. Close the bypass valve. Turn on power supply and initiate flush cycle.